Juicing for health recipes, my two favorite recipes for detox and weight loss. Losing weight can be complicated with all the temptations of family meals or snacks at work, but it is not impossible if you apply some tricks like drinking these drinks that I will recommend today. But before starting, I recommend subscribing to our channel because we will be constantly uploading videos about health, home remedies, and recipes that will make your life healthier. And don't forget to activate all the notifications by clicking on the bell so that you receive all our new tips. Let's begin. The truth is that I have tried a lot of natural drinks, and many of them have had a good effect on my body. But today, you are very lucky because I'm going to share my two favorite drinks to detoxify the body and lose weight. 1. Digestive juice. This juice helps to eliminate a large amount of toxins thanks to its high fiber ingredients. It is important to take it in the morning after breakfast. Ingredients: the juice of 1 lemon, 1 stalk of celery, 2 fresh carrots, 2 slices of pineapple, 1 apple. Put all the ingredients in the blender and process them completely. 2. Fat removing juice. This perfect smoothie is ideal for detoxifying the body, reducing a few centimeters, and providing minerals and amino acids to the body. Ingredients: 1 cup of melon, 1 cup pineapple, 2 tablespoons of ginger, 1 cup milk. Blend the ingredients completely and you will get a refreshing drink. Take it every day on an empty stomach. What do you think of these recipes? What was your favorite? Don't forget to leave me a comment after you try them to know your results. It is very important to detoxify both the mind and the body. And more importantly, this process leads us to a state of happiness. What will we achieve with detoxification? Eliminate toxins, delay cellular aging, prevent chronic diseases, lose weight, feeling more energetic. We must avoid the consumption of medications as much as possible when having minor discomfort in our body. Choosing natural options, such as these shakes, can improve our quality of life and contribute to the correctness of our body. Likewise, it is essential to avoid alcoholic beverages and improve our eating habits because, although these juices are a great help, their consumption must be accompanied by healthy lifestyles. If you have already decided to eat healthy nutrition, the next step is to get moving. Activate your muscles, tone them up, and if possible, grow them. The idea is that you start to lose fat and gain muscle mass. In addition, when exercising, sweat will also help you eliminate toxins. A good detox plan always includes exercise. At least 30 minutes a day is recommended. It may simply consist of walking at a steady pace or jogging lightly. The idea is not to let yourself be won by sedentary lifestyle. Restrict the chair and television. This is all for today. Don't forget to share your video with all your friends and family and subscribe for more tips like this one. God bless you, and until next time.